Hi, I'm Chef Brian Karam from LG Electronics. Today we're going to look at LG's Smart Gas Double Oven Slide-In Range. It's finished in black stainless steel and it's fingerprint proof. This cooktop features 5 independent gas burners, including an oval-shaped burner, which is perfect for the included removable griddle. The highest rated burner is this dual-stacked 22,000K burner. It's perfect for searing steaks and boiling water fast. All the gas burners feature this LED illumination, which indicates they're in use. One of the benefits of a slide-in range is there are no controls in the back. All of your controls are in front, including this nice glass touchscreen. This range has 2 independent ovens and has 12 cooking modes. You can control the upper and lower oven by using this knob. Let's say I want to air sous vide something in the lower oven. I start by turning the oven control knob to air sous vide. I select my temperature and I hit start. At the same time, I'm thinking I want to bake some cookies in the upper oven. Again, I turn the oven control knob to the upper oven and I hit start. As you can see, both ovens are working independently of one another and they're using 2 different cook modes. Another nice feature is InstaView. You don't need to turn on the oven light or open up the oven doors to see what's cooking inside. To turn it on or off, all you need to do is tap on the glass twice. This LG range boasts 2 ovens with a capacity of 6.9 cubic feet. The upper oven has a capacity of 2.6 cubic feet for weeknight meals like sheet pan dinners, pizzas, and casseroles. If you want additional space, you can insert this offset rack. Moving on to the lower oven. The lower oven has 4.6 cubic feet. It's great for large roasts, multi-rack baking. It is also where you're going to find the cooking modes like ProBake Convection, Air Sous Vide, and Air Fry. The range comes with this great air fry basket. One of the racks that is included with the LG range is a gliding rack. The gliding rack can be moved from upper to lower oven, but I prefer to have it in the lower oven because it makes it easier to get food in and out of the bottom oven. For more information about this LG range or any of our other kitchen appliances, please visit us at lg.com.